In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google Adsense account in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward guide that's perfect for those of you who are new to Google Adsense or need a quick refresher on how to access your account. With Google Adsense, you can monetize your website by displaying ads that are relevant to your site's content and visitors. It's a great way to earn revenue from your online content, but first you'll need to know how to log in successfully. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the steps will be the same. Now go to the Google Adsense homepage. You can do this by either searching for Google Adsense in your search engine or by typing adsense.google.com/start/ directly into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the main page where you can begin the login process. Once you're on the Google Adsense homepage, look for the Sign In button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will redirect you to the Google account selection page. Here, Google wants to know which of your Google accounts you'd like to use to access Adsense. For most users, this might just be their main Gmail account, but if you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Adsense account. Now, this next step is crucial. After selecting your account, you might be prompted to enter your password, especially if you're not already logged in on your browser. Take a moment to enter your password carefully. Remember, this is the key to accessing not just Adsense, but all Google services linked to this account. If at any point you have trouble remembering your password, don't panic. Google provides an easy to follow process for recovering your account. You'll see a Forgot Password link right below the password field. Clicking on this link will guide you through the necessary steps to recover your password and regain access to your account. Once you've successfully entered your password and click the next button, voila, you're now logged into your Google Adsense account. From here you can start exploring your Adsense dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You can view your earnings, manage ads, check performance reports, and much more. Logging into Google Adsense is the first step towards monetizing your website with Google Ads. It's important to familiarize yourself with the Adsense dashboard and all its features to make the most out of your Adsense experience. Remember, the dashboard is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your account's performance at a glance. Spend some time exploring the different sections and options available. For those of you who might be managing multiple websites or want to keep your earnings separate for any reason, remember that Google allows you to have and manage multiple Adsense accounts. However, you'll need a separate Google account for each Adsense account. This can be particularly helpful for web developers or content creators who manage sites for different clients or have distinct projects they want to keep financially separate. Lastly, always ensure that your contact information and payment details are up to date in your Adsense account. This is crucial for receiving your payments without any delays. You can check and update this information from the settings section of your Adsense dashboard. That's it. Logging into Google Adsense is a simple and straightforward process. Remember, the key to a smooth login is knowing which Google account is associated with your Adsense account and making sure you have the correct password at hand. If you encounter any issues, Google's support resources are incredibly helpful, offering detailed guidance for troubleshooting login problems. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to log in to your Google Adsense account. Whether you're here to start monetizing your new blog or looking to check your latest earnings, understanding how to access your Adsense account is the first step. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on making the most of your online content. Happy monetizing!